What's going on, guys? It's Juice Audio. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is how my voice sounds through this recorder, so you guys have a reference. I don't know if it's going to sound bright or dark or neutral. Hopefully it's super neutral. Someone commented on my last review that I should do a little audio test. I was like, you know what, why not? I'll do audio tests, and I'll actually compare it with something that a lot of people have recognized and know the sound of, and they're probably the most best-selling monitor of all time, probably the HS5s, and those are great monitors. Honestly, it costs $100 more, but I thought I'd reference these with the HS5s because that's a sound everybody's familiar with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll be dropping a video every week from now on. Got a lot of videos stacked up, so stay tuned.